Hey Aircats, here is a hopefully helpful guide on how to fill out the paperwork for the FA. So we're going to start off with the scorecard. This is what you're going to write all of your test information on. So these boxes right here, this is where your scorekeepers will write all the scores. But before you take the test, the portion that we're worried about is this. So up here, you're going to fill in your rank and your name. So I am a cadet, as all of us are, and my name is Nick Rosenbaum. So boom, that section's self-explanatory. Our unit, all of our unit is Det 665. That'll be the same for everyone. Duty phone is just your phone number. Age, how old you are. Do not fill in social security number. I repeat, do not fill in social security number. We're going to leave that blank. Email, just put in your school email. Height, make sure your height is in inches. And your weight, make sure your weight is in pounds. Your FSQ date, we're going to go over that in a second, but that's just the date that you fill in all of the questionnaire. So once you fill in that questionnaire, that's going to be your FSQ date. Your test date for 100s, it's going to be 10 November. For 300s, it's going to be 12 November. So that's pretty much it for this whole top section. As 100s, as you move through the test, you'll fill in different portions of these boxes. And then at the end, you'll sign on this line. And whoever is helping you take the test, the 400 or 300 that's helping you do that, they're going to sign down here. But that'll be on test date. But moving right along to the FSQ document. So this is a document that we all need to fill out saying that we're physically capable of taking this fitness assessment. So again, from the top, we're starting off with your name in the name box. All of our rank is cadet. Our office symbol is Det 665. It's the same as our unit on the scorecard. And then duty phone is just your phone number. Now, I want to preface this by saying everyone's FSQ could look a little differently. I don't know what your medical history is. This is just what I filled out, and based on what I've seen looking at other FSQs, a vast majority of people fall under these answers, okay? So for number one, basically all you got to do is read all of these symptoms. If you haven't, if you have not experienced any of these symptoms, you're going to check the no box and move on to the next question. Now, this question is asking you about your sickle cell trait. If you know it and you know that you're sickle cell positive, you're going to check the no box and you will not be able to take the fitness assessment. If you do not know it, or the test was negative, you're going to proceed to question 3, which is what a majority of us will do. Question 3, if you don't know your sickle cell trait, you're going to watch that video that was sent out in an email entitled FA Documents. You're going to watch that video, and then you're going to check yes for number 3. And then for number 4, again, just read this. If all of these apply, or if these symptoms, or if these activities apply to you, you'll check yes. And remember, if you check yes, you're going to stop then and sign the form, and you can take the assessment. If you check no, you'll answer question 5. Just make sure that you read the question carefully. But a majority of us will check yes for 4, and then we'll move immediately to the signature block where we'll date. That's today's date that I signed it. And then I need to go over that again because my pen's running out of ink, but I signed it. Remember, if you answer yes to number 4, you do not answer question 5. If you answer no to number 4, that's when you answer number 5, okay? For this FSQ, the physical or the fitness screening questionnaire, the biggest key is just read each question carefully. Remember, For number 3, you have to watch that sickle cell video to make sure that you're informed. And if you know 100% that you're sickle cell positive, please reach out to someone in your chain of command and we'll talk to Cadre about next steps. But I'm willing to bet that a vast majority of you are not sickle cell positive, so your FSQ document will look very similar to mine. If you have any questions about any of this, please reach out and let me know. Otherwise, I will see you on your test date.